daw, ako, tanggap na daw nila. Nung nabasa, ikaw na. Ay, dati, huwag mong basahin. Ala, isa.
Linggon, di naman.
Patugulog ko, Diyos ko.
Ready.
Ilang kaya yung words ka, habag, ah?
Ready.
Oh, amok.
Set, go.
Nagbibilang.
English, Tagalog. Six words.
Six words.
Words?
No.
Ala.
Sige.
Five words! Kanta! First word, second word.
Ay!
Third word.
Merry Christmas! Wow! Kamusta na?
Fourth word!
Angel!
Harap mo din, harap mo.
Last word! Angel singing?
Caroling.
Singing. Angel singing.
Angel.
Angel!
Ya, ibon!
Singing angel! Angel singing! First word?
Ay, time!
Ay, time na.
Sabi mo yun na magpapatay
10
sa atin.
minutes.
Ano, 10 minutes?
10 seconds.
Angel singing?
Hoy!